What a good girl. Can I see the babies? Oh, they're so cute, Angie. Can I see one? Oh, yes, that's a Precious. Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. Oh, here. Here, go back to the boob. There is 2 white ones right there. 2 white ones. And a black one. They are so cute. Good job, Angie. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Good girl.